shushed by Miss Pieces of Reese's. Oh shoot. So attractive for the internet.
We're hacking her profile right now. Okay, so you guys probably
don't know me. I'm Jordan. And
Brooke, you probably know her. Yeah. Her laugh.
I'm just kidding.
I'm really tired.
Yeah, me too.
So
We're having a sleepover tonight.
I want to say that if we're not following Miss Pieces of Reese's,
Then you don't deserve to live.
Jordan, that's really harsh.
I know that is harsh. I'm sorry.
Yeah, okay.
I'm sorry.
If you don't, how about this? If you don't follow Miss Pieces of Reese's,
You can't sit with us. Yeah.
you can't sit with us. So
What?
follow
Where?
Miss Pieces of Reese's. Ratchets.